This is the recipe everybody is talking about. This is the TikTok viral doner kebab recipe. It's all I've seen on my social media over the last few weeks. This is the second time I'm making this recipe, so I think I've perfected it. Both times I made a stir-fry version which was so juicy and succulent. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to make this juicy flavour-packed street food classic at home. All of the simple ingredients I used are in the description below. So here I have 70% beef and 30% fat. The meat to fat ratio is the most important part of this recipe. So I'm going to season the beef with some salt, pepper, paprika, garam masala, mixed herbs, garlic powder and cumin. I'm then going to add some natural yogurt and give it a really good mix. And if it's not his daughter, it's him. He's my brother adding his 2 pence into my recipe. So I'm going to add some olive oil in here just for some extra moisture. So here I have my oven tray and some greaseproof paper. I'm going to put some mince on this paper and roll it out as thin as possible. The water underneath is to stop it from slipping. The next step is to roll it up like so. I'm going to repeat this until I run out of mince. So that is ready for the oven. It is going in at 200°C for no more than 20 minutes. The roasted chillies are optional. You can serve the doner as it is, but I decided to make stir fry out of mine. So I'm just going to cut up some vegetables for the stir fry. So I thought my fresh made tzatziki will go really well with this recipe. So my tzatziki recipe is really simple. I've got some dill, some cucumber, some salt and pepper, some natural yogurt and some garlic. If it looks too thick, I like to add a little bit of milk. So the moment of truth is here. It's now time to unravel them doner sheets. So I stir fried together the doner, some veg and some sweet chilli sauce. I cooked this for 5 minutes maximum. That's it.